everybody, it's your boy, Sebastian, and I'm here in Walmart doing the craziest challenge you have ever seen before in your whole entire life. Obviously, cannot do this challenge all by myself, so I gotta bring my boys. I have two boys, the first one being the one, the only, Giovanny. And my second boy is a really cool cat, or should I say bear. He's the second, the only, Jesse Underhill. Okay, so I'm here with the boys, but we can't just do any Walmart challenge without an actual challenge. And that actual challenge is these things right here. Boom. I got handcuffs that I ordered online, and we're gonna be walking around Walmart causing a little ruckus while being handcuffed. Are you ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready, bro? Wait, should I be in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh,
wait, do you have a key for it?
No, I don't have a key, bro. Guys, I feel like this challenge is a little too easy, so we're gonna have to spice a little things up with another handcuff.
We should do it like this.
Are we on timer? Where's the mic?
Oh, we're just filming a video. We're just filming a video.
I'm not allowed to record it though.
Oh, really? Oh, you can't do anything. Just need to sit up.
Don't record this. Don't.
Seb, I need. I play soccer, bitches. Oh man, oh man. Already had me right under my arm. I used to bottle my tree. I hope that you like it. Alright, man. Bye.
I go through the cracks.
Oh.
Bro, this is definitely not the move, bro. Oh my god. Yo, wait, let me get it.
No sponsor.